This is STEMpedia Boot Camp 2023, Assignment 1, Interest Calculator. I've defined a little function here called Interest Calculator. It takes three arguments. The principal, that's the amount that's borrowed. The rate, that's the percentage that the interest is calculated at. And time, that's the period in years. So I have to calculate that, so I define a variable called amount, and it's principal plus principal times rate times time divided by 100. That turns actually the 100 really applies to rate since it's a percentage. And then I'm going to return that amount. In order to get these values to pass into my function, I have Toby use the sprite.input function, and I'm going to enter principal. To populate principal, I'm going to have him enter rate in order to populate rate, and I'm going to have him enter time in years to populate time. And then Toby's going to say the amount is, and I have to cast the result because I'm going to get a float here. So I have to cast it to a string in order to be able to use it in my concatenation here. So I'm going to say str, and everything inside of it is going to be turned into a string, and is interest calculator, principal, rate, time. And then here I've got 2, so that means Toby's going to say it for 2 seconds. Let's give it a whirl and see how it goes. Toby says, enter the principal, $1,000. Enter the rate. Oh, bad rates today, 10. How long are you going to borrow it for, Dave? 1 year. You're going to pay $100. And that's the interest rate calculator.